Hi there, my name is Alexandra and I have finished my third year in chemical engineering with petroleum minor. I currently work as a reservoir engineering intern for a company called Crescent Point Energy. So I've been asked to talk to you about different things that I do as an intern in engineering and how do I think they tie to the engineering profession in general. So I decided to come up with the three most important ones for you. So my number one learning through my internship is being an engineer means constantly learning new software. What do I mean by that? Nowadays, we barely take our calculators into our hands, and if we do so, it's usually to check the solution rather than to come up with it. We rely a lot on software and modeling and artificial intelligence in order to do the calculations for us. So as engineers, it's really important for us to gather the right data and give those softwares the right assumptions rather than do the calculations ourselves. It's also very important to stay on track with whatever software is out there and how can we use it to add value to the company. So we should be prepared to be lifelong learners and keep an open mind towards different softwares and solutions available out there because we do want to have the most efficient and simple practices. My learning number two is that being an engineer means to be a problem solver and a creative thinker. Machines can only get as far. They can replicate the solutions that's been out there before, and they can use the data that we as engineers give to them in order to provide the solution. However, humans are still valued over machines because of our ability to think creatively, to problem solve, to apply solutions that were not done on this particular problem before. We are still there to puzzle those small pieces together in order to create unique solutions that are only relevant for this particular problem. So it's very important for us as we are learning to keep an open mind and don't swallow any solution and take it for granted. We should always know that there are multiple ways to approach a single challenge and that sometimes those can be better. So keep it up and don't let anybody impose any solutions on you. And my learning number three for you is actually a trend among a lot of industries and a lot of different professions now. Everybody nowadays wants to make money without spending money. And how can you do that? You can use the years and years worth of data that we now have, some on paper, some already digital, in order to analyze it and come up with conclusions and solutions that can help you do your practices better and more efficiently now. This is what I've been doing a lot during my internship. I've been gathering a lot of public data and doing analysis on it in order to come up with the best drilling practices, the best completion practices for the specific area in order to help reservoir engineers estimate how much oil is out there or actually make sense of the geology of the area. So it's a common trend. So we need to learn how to manipulate data, how to use statistics, how to analyze it, and how to make sense of it. So my top three learnings are new software, creativity, and problem solving, and data analytics. Thank you.